So, rice and peas we'll deal with right now. Do some rice and peas proper. And some jerk chicken. We already seasoned the jerk chicken, but we're just gonna put it in the oven and bake it halfway. Cause you know say the grill them what they have at the beach and the same thing we have in your house, you know. So it's just like an open face grill. They don't really have like a closing to it, so you're not gonna really give it the jerk flavor, the smoke flavor. So we go kinda cook the chicken before we go. You see it? And then put it on the grill afterwards. Yeah man. Yeah man, so yes guys, we have the coconut milk right there, so yeah man. Drop in the coconut milk, you know. Yeah. Put in the scallion and the scotch bonnet. Yeah man, thyme and all them good stuff there. Yeah, a real thing we are dealing with right now. Little bit of salt. Yeah, you know you need to put some salt in it. Yeah man, some all-purpose seasoning. Yep.
Chef Keegan in the building. Wife, beautiful wife in the back, chilling. Say hi to the vlog. Hey.
Yeah man. So you don't know. We done for A1A right now, Fort Lauderdale Beach. Yeah man. I just like I said last night, you know, in a previous video, you know, clips or whatever. I don't know, so we had it today. You say a party today. Not really a party, but we're hanging out with the family and friends and, you know, eat some food. Some fried fish and everything there. Some jerk chicken, you know, you have a jerk chicken, some hot dog, you know, some burgers, all them things there. Yeah man, so we're just there in the early morning. Right now at 10 o'clock, we should be there from about 8 o'clock. Cause you know, say, the grill them kind of limited. You know, space is limited, parking is limited down at Fort Lauderdale Beach. Everything limited. So, yeah, we should have reached there from a long time ago, 2 hours ago. But, hey, better late than never. Yes, me I say. Yeah, man. We're up on the beach right now. Early morning settings. When I wait, you see it? Yeah. Nobody not there yet still. But, you know, later on, a crazy thing. Crazy. Yeah, man. So, just continue for watching the vlog. You see it? We're out here. Huh? One ball. Where ball a come, man? You see, we have the soccer ball a come. Yeah, man. Yeah, he's so eager, you know, to play soccer. You see me, I say? But, yo, the ball a come, man. We're there. And wifey, you know, beautiful queen. There, same way. Yeah, man. So, what going? What going for the vlog? Eh? Yeah, man. We are waiting on some more people right now, you know. Boy, Lando, him not reach it. Business thing, you know, aka business thing, him not reach it. But, in a close by, according to him. But you know, Jamaica, when they say, yo, they still come, that mean all an hour, you know. About an hour, me there, I wait for the boy already, but, hey, I'm just going all the vibes, the early vibes, same way. Yeah, man. Early vibes. Yo. The man again in the big star, you know. Avila University star right there, so. Yeah, man. Wide receiver, you know. Where there right now? No, a number one there or number two? Or three? You better be number one, bro. Yeah, number one receiver for, you know, Avila University up in Kansas. Yeah, man. Kansas, Missouri. Yeah, Kansas, Missouri. Kansas City. All right. So, yeah, man. So you think said.
It depends, because if I remember to sip, I'm good. But if I don't, then I have to gulp some down. But I just try to stay hydrated as much as possible.
Yeah, hot. That's what I'm tough to
It just reach the right temperature.
Yes, guys. So the fish them are fry up. Yeah, man. See it there? Fry fish. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the jerk chicken them look good, you know. You see it? Yeah.
good, delicious.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. So, jerk chicken pan the grill, same way.
Canada Dry is just like Sprite.
What?
Canada Dry tastes.
Just like Sprite?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not speaking something that's natural. I'm just spitting facts.
All right, boss. Continue to speak facts, all right? Nothing but facts. All right, boss? Say, boss, eh? DJ! Huh?
The boss.
I don't know where the girls
Where girls them there? Where girls? You left them?
left them.
I lie, Mattel. Lie, Mattel. Yo. See, boss, you know? Yeah, man. You see it. What's up, DJ? Wagwan.
DJ, what's
Touch me. Good. David. Wagwan.
There, man. Big up.
Bomba, you know.
You know where go.
You see it. Boss in the place and I ain't sitting me there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I feel place.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Don't joke.
See Devin, little princess, them a walk in here. Yeah, man. Say hi for the blog. You know, YouTube when I go on live, you see it. Everybody. Yeah, man. Up to the time. You can't work in the kitchen, you know, boss. Because you don't move so slow, so you're going to fish. What's that?
Fish alright.
Fish alright.
Fish alright.
Alright.
Alright, right. That's what it is.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
No way, you don't
See it
get
there.
stiff. Yeah.
See it there.
Fish and get up our...
That man here specialize in a fish, you know. Be a fish, that man here eat, you know.
What? Hang over plate.
No meat, twin thing.
No.
Just be a fish.
Hang that.
Yeah, man. Hey, he catch me, you know. He catch me today, Devin.